Hey RCS students, it's Miss Treva here. Today, I know we've been practicing our social distancing, so today I thought I would bring you some science for you to do at home. We're going to make a tasty treat, homemade ice cream. First thing we'll do is get all of our ingredients together. So you will need 2 Ziploc bags, a big one and a small one. You will need 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of salt, and some ice. So to begin with, we will take our small baggie, and in our small bag, we will pour in 1 cup of milk. Put that in there. And I use just plain old whole milk. If you have half and half or anything like that, you can use that as well. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whoops, that's good, always good to have a mess. All right, what you'll want to do is you want to seal this up, but you want to try and get some of the air out best you can. So I kind of set it down flat and push, not to get the milk out. Push on it a little bit. And there you have what's going to eventually be your ice cream. The next thing you'll need to do is take your big baggie and you'll pour in ice till it's about half full. Easier with the hands. All right, you will put yours, make sure it's closed tightly. You'll put your Ziploc bag in there, and then you will add 1/4 cup of salt. Now I just use plain old table salt. But if you have other types of salt, you can use that as well. I know ice cream makers call for rock salt, but this works just as well. We will pour the remaining ice on top. Make sure your parents are aware you may be making a mess behind them. Now you will zip it up and you are ready to make homemade ice cream. You will need to make sure that you have gloves or a towel, or I just use some pot holders here. And you will shake it very hard. Shake, shake, shake. Now I'm not going to shake for 5 minutes, but set a timer. After about 5 minutes, you'll shake it. And after 5 minutes, I prepared some this morning. You will have a frozen tasty treat that you can add some sprinkles to, add some chocolate syrup to, but you have your homemade ice cream. Now, I will warn you, before you take the bag, after you've shaken it all up, make sure you rinse the little bag off with some cold water to get the salt off the edge, because you don't want salt in your ice cream. Now, what does that have to do with science? Well, salt is your key ingredient. The salt is what lowers the temperature, causes it to freeze, and makes the temperature and the ingredients that are around your ice cream, all the ice, it makes it colder, which causes your ice cream to freeze. So enjoy this tasty treat. Add some sprinkles, some chocolate if it was me, and have a good time making this at home. Be safe and stay healthy.